What if AI could help you make money online, even if you have no experience? It's 2026, and thousands of people are using AI tools to start side hustles, automate work, and create new income streams right from their laptops. In this video, I'll show you 10 powerful AI tools that can help you make money online, and some of these are even free to start. Welcome to Passive Profit Lab, where we explore smart ways to make money online and build passive income. If you want to discover tools that can help you earn online faster, make sure to subscribe. Now let's look at the first AI tool. One of the most powerful AI tools for making money online is ChatGPT. People use it to write blog articles, create YouTube scripts, write marketing content, and even build digital products. Freelancers are using AI writing tools like this to complete projects way faster and earn more money. Next up is Canva AI. This allows beginners to design professional graphics in just minutes. You can use it to create social media posts, eye-catching YouTube thumbnails, and digital templates. Many creators sell these templates online and generate passive income. Then we have AI voice generators. These tools let you create realistic voiceovers without ever recording your own voice. They're perfect for YouTube automation, audiobooks, and creating ads and videos. In fact, many successful faceless YouTube channels rely entirely on AI voices. Following that are AI video generators. These amazing tools can turn text into complete videos automatically. You just add a script, and the AI generates visuals, captions, and video scenes. This is one of the main reasons faceless YouTube channels are growing so fast. AI logo generators are another goldmine. Businesses constantly need logos and branding. AI logo tools allow beginners to create professional logos quickly and sell them on freelance platforms. Even some pro designers use AI to speed up their workflow and boost their income. AI can also build websites. AI website builders can create complete websites in minutes. Entrepreneurs use these tools to launch blogs, affiliate websites, and online businesses, making it easier than ever to get started online. Let's not forget AI image generators. These tools can create unique graphics from simple text prompts. The images can be used for digital products, social media content, or even print-on-demand designs. Many creators sell these AI-generated designs online. Similar to ChatGPT, dedicated AI writing tools help create high-quality content very quickly. People use them to produce blog posts, ebooks, and marketing copy. Content creators and bloggers use these tools to scale their work and publish more often. Did you know AI can also help with job applications? AI resume builders create professional resumes and cover letters. Some freelancers even offer resume writing services and use AI tools to complete projects faster. Finally, we have AI automation tools. These allow you to connect different apps and automate repetitive work. Businesses use them to save time and increase productivity. With the right setup, automation can turn simple workflows into passive systems. AI is changing the way people make money online. The biggest opportunity right now is learning how to use these tools early. If you start experimenting today, you could build new income streams in the future. Subscribe to Passive Profit Lab for more videos about passive income, AI tools, and making money online. And tell me in the comments, which AI tool would you try first?